My name is Michael Keough, and I'm a neurosurgeon with UofL Health. I became a healthcare provider from influences from my mother, actually. She worked as a laboratory technician and would often take me with her to work after school, and I got used to, at a young age, just being in a hospital environment. And then when I got older, I had decided that I wanted to become specifically a physician from sort of a combination of two of my passions. One of which is just sort of a lifelong love of learning. I went to school for 19 years after high school, and I loved every minute of it. And also, I just have a great sense of personal satisfaction from taking care of sick people and their families, and so that's why I became a physician. I'm a neurosurgeon, and my specific area of expertise is in brain tumor surgery, particularly those types of tumors that are in what we call eloquent parts of the brain. Believe it or not all parts of the brain are as important as others, and some of these surgeries would be considered high risk. But I did fellowship training in neurosurgical oncology at the Mayo Clinic, where I learned a lot of very sophisticated monitoring techniques to make these surgeries as safe as possible for patients. I think that all patients, particularly those who have cancer, should be able to get excellent care as close to home as possible without feeling the need to go elsewhere. I also feel that my care approach is compassionate. I care just as much about someone's disease diagnosis as I do where they live, what they do for work, and who's important to them and what their values are. And if I understand those things, patients and I can work together to formulate the most optimal treatment plan. And so outside of my role as a neurosurgeon, I'm also a principal investigator of a research laboratory at the University of Louisville School of Medicine, where I study brain tumors using samples that came from patients. I believe that all patients with brain tumors should have the opportunity to participate in research in some capacity if they choose to. When I'm not at work, I have a wife and 2 daughters, so I don't have a lot of free time. But one of my favorite things I like to do is to cook. And so, for example, my family and I really love making traditional Neapolitan-style pizza. We do it every weekend. And so I can use my pizza oven, which goes up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and I can cook a margherita pizza in less than 2 minutes.